Hi there, my name is Jure. I'm a Shopify developer. I often hear from merchants that they have trouble selling gift boxes on their Shopify stores, especially B2B. The reason is because they need to spend endless time talking with every company, configuring how their gift box is gonna look like, and all these details. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can simplify that process by using the app that I'm about to show you. This app allows you to have these build your gift box pages on your Shopify store, which allow your customer to come to this page and create their gift box completely by themselves. Here's how it works. So let's say I'm a customer and I want to buy a gift box from you. I can come to this page, you can give me the link to this page, and then on this page I can create my gift box. Let's say I'm creating a gift box that I want to give to one of my employees. I have 3 steps that I need to follow. On the first step I need to choose the box, the wrapping. Let's say I choose this one. Then I go next. On the second step I need to select the products that go into a gift box. Let's say I select these products. Then I go next. On the last step, I need to include some personalization data. Let's say I enter this personalization data. When I'm happy with my box, I can click finish. And that leads me straight to the checkout page. Here I have my gift box nicely bundled together. I can see all the different products that I selected. I can see all the personalization data that I entered. Everything is broken down into individual products for proper inventory tracking. Once this customer completes the purchase, you as a store owner would see all of this data in the Shopify backend, and then you can use it to wrap their gift box and send it to them. To do this, we're going to use this app called the NeatBundles. This is a bundling app that allows you to have these bundle builder pages where a customer can come and create their gift box or any kind of box. We need to install the app on our store. Once you install the app, you will just need to quickly go over these 2 installation steps. It's very easy. You just need to duplicate the template and add the bundle builder to that template. There's a tutorial down there. Once you're done with that, you'll be redirected to this page here, and from here we can start creating our first bundle. We click this Add Bundle button, then we select the style of our bundle. In this case, we are selling gift boxes, so we are going to just select gift boxes. This app supports some other kinds of layouts, but for this example, we are going to just stick to gift boxes. Then we click Next. Now we need to enter the bundle name, which is the gift box name. This is how I'm going to call my bundle. You can call it any way you want, but make sure to use something that makes sense, because this will be shown to your customers in the checkout and in some other places. Then we click Next. Then we need to select a discount for our gift box. I'm going to stick with 15% here. Then we click Finish. Once that is done, we'll come to this page. Here we need to just quickly configure a few things before our gift box is done. So first thing is creating these steps. So as you can see, when you hover over here, we have these steps. So the steps are these things here. We need to create a couple of steps that we want to have in our gift box. Let's create the first step by clicking the Add Step button. Then we need to enter the step title and the description. Both of these will be shown to our customers, so make sure to enter something that makes sense. I'm going to just have the title like this, and I'm going to leave the description empty. Once you're happy with yours, we can click Create Step. Then when we are on this step, we need to select which products we want to show as options on this step. So as you saw before, this step has all these products shown here that a customer has the option to choose from. So we need to add them here as well. We click the Select Products button. Then we select all the products we want to show on this step. Once you are done with your selection, you click Select. Then all the products will be shown here. Then you can just click Save. One more thing we can configure here. We can scroll down a bit and we can configure these rules. So we can put the maximum to be 1. Since customers are picking the packaging on this step, I assume it only makes sense for them to just pick 1 packaging. We click Save, and when we are done with that, we can go back. Once we are here, we can just quickly create another step. To keep it simple, I'm just going to include a personalization step. You can just click this, then some data will be pre-filled for you. I'm going to stick with this. I'm going to just click Add Step. Here we will see we have 3 input fields on this step. So we have the text that has the From field, the one that has To field, and one that has Message field. This is fine for me because I want to have these 3 input fields to get the data from my customers. If you need to customize it, feel free to do so. Once you are happy with the customization, we can go back again. When we are here on this page, we are pretty much done configuring our gift box. There are more options here you can play with. For example, there's this nice option here, Sell Bundles in Bulk, which basically allows you to sell multiple units of the gift box with the same configuration. That's usually very handy for selling to B2B because companies usually tend to buy multiple gift boxes of the same variation. But you can play with those on your own time. Last thing we are going to do here, we are going to just toggle this visibility. So we need to click on this, then set it to active, and then just click Save. Once that is done, we can click this View on Storefront button. And as you can see, here's our gift box right here. It was as easy as that to create it. We have 2 steps. You can create more steps very easily. We can select the product on the first step. We can go next. We can enter the data on the second step, and we can go finish the same way as I showed you in the beginning. We were just scratching the surface here of what this app can do. You can play with it on your free time. You can customize this page to make it look more like this page. There will be a link down in the description showing you how to do that. You can, of course, add more steps, add less steps, add gifts, discounts, everything. And that was pretty much it for the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope you sell a lot of gift boxes. Bye-bye.